सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 223, verse 263. ग्रन्थिभेदेऽपि सम्भाव्य इच्छा प्रारब्धदोषतः बुद्ध्वापि पापबाहुल्यात् असन्तोषो यथा तव. Vidyaranya talking about the Jnani's prarabdha. Every Jnani is having a mind, and that mind has got sattva guna, rajoguna, tamoguna, and these three gunas proportion is different from Jnani to Jnani. One Jnani is sattva guna pradhanam, very calm and quiet. Another Jnani is rajoguna pradhanam, very active, taking lot of activities. So the proportion may be differ, but every Jnani also has got mind. That we have to remember. Their behavior also based on their vasanas, their likings and their interest in certain things is nothing to do with their Atma Swarupam. This is very difficult to understand unless we go through Shastra totally deeply. This cannot be grasped properly. Every Jnani's mind behave instinctively. That instinctive desires like food, hunger, thirst and hunger, all these activities are instinct based. And vasana based desires, I was talking in the last class about two types of desires. One is vasana based because of purva janma habits, vasanas. Certain actions or activities are taken by those Jnanis. And instinctive desires are very common. Thirst and hunger, etc. Instinctive desire, bhayam. These are all very instinctive, natural. These either vasana based or instinctive based, these two types of desires belong to Anatma, the body-mind complex. They are nothing to do with Purnatvam. Aham Purnaha Atma Swarupam. There is no connection to that habitual vasana-based desires and the Atma Jnanam. Because they cannot be avoided totally. To some extent they can avoid, but Jnani also doesn't have control, total control over the mind and body. Total control is not possible for anyone. Maximum extent they have that pratyahara, shama, dhamma, up to last, highest extent they have. But total control is not possible. So they have all legitimate desires, moderate desires. If at all they have that desires also only legitimate, moderate, because Jnani never violate dharma. We have to remember that. Because all the way Jnani lived a life of dharma, dharmic life, with full of virtues and trained his mind or her mind and attained jnanam. Such a jnani, how can he go to any worldly desires, meager desires? It is not possible. That is why we have to understand carefully. Desires means here dharmika, moderate desires, what are all to be done to the ashrama or for a grihastha jnani to be done to the family. The jnani continues. That to dharmika activities. Those desires, they continue. For the sake of loka sangraha, for samashti prarabdha. Samashti prarabdha influence the jnani's prarabdha. Samashti prarabdha, the ashrama people, those are coming bhaktas. Or grihastha jnani means those are relatives are coming. All family members are coming, suppose. So samashti prarabdha influence the jnani's individual's prarabdha. Therefore, we have to understand in this way. We should not abuse. Jnani means anything he can do, she can do anything, they can eat anything. No, it's not like that. They cannot violate, first of all. If at all it appears as though it is violating for us, but we cannot understand their intention. Their intentions are so high. For the loka sangraha, for the sake of the world only, for samashti prarabdha, when it influences the jnani prarabdha, he has to take that activity. So it is not jnani's desire specifically. We have to understand clearly. Otherwise, jnani nannada irukka, namma kuttichavar aiduvom appuram. So, if you don't understand this, our nannada irupparu, namada vittu poidum appuram. So, jagrathaya irukkanum, purinjukanum. Adha. Grandhi bhedepi sambhavya ichchaha. Desires are possible, even that person is a jnani. Grandhi bhede api. Means he has stopped transferring the desires of the lower eye to the higher eye. He has stopped because of knowledge. Because of knowledge, there is no connecting link of desires from anatma to atma. He never say, I have this desire, that and all. Because these are all belong to anatma. I never superimpose upon me the atma. Parantu ichchaha sambhavaha. They are all possible. Why? Prarabdha doshataha. Because of the sambandha of prarabdha. Doshataha, some books they translate it as defect. Dosha means a normal meaning we should not take here. Because dosha is not possible deliberately, voluntarily. Dosha won't be there. You have to take it as sambandha. All are interpretational problems. Everything, what do we interpret? As I understand, I interpret. That's what people interpret. Anything in the world also, how I interpret a situation, how I interpret an incident. As I know, as my knowledge, as my perception, I interpret. But that interpretation, how far it is correct? That is why interpretational problems always will be there. In the family also, in the society also, including Shastra also. Many people interpret this dosha as a defect. This dosha is to be translated as sambandha. That is correct. Prarabdham is not a dosham. If it is a dosha, everyone has to hit our head. Why this prarabdha has come? Why this prarabdha has come? Because of prarabdha only body has come. That is called sambandha. Because this jnani, in spite of that knowledge, granthi bheda, he has destroyed all that granthis. You know, granthi means transference. The transference is not there. Still, because some body is there, jnani body, His body is alive or not? Jivan Mukta. Since he is Jivan Mukta, his body is alive. Body is alive means what? What is the proof? Prarabdha is continuing in artham. Prarabdha continues in artham. Our body irukkan artham. Innu prarabdham poinde irukkan artham. As long as prarabdha is there, prarabdhaya samarpitam vapuhuna. So body will be there. As long as body is there, prarabdha will be there. Both are sambandhis. Sambandhis. Prarabdha doshataha. Prarabdha sambandhat. Buddhva api papa bahulyat. Because of papa, some prarabdha janma is come because of what? Punya papa mishram. That is called papa bahulyam. Jnani also exhausts his papa prarabdha. Papa bahulyat. It does not belong to this janma. This Jnani's body undergoing a karma which is papa prarabdha. That is called papa bahulyat. Don't think Jnani is having only punya prarabdham. Why? Punya prarabdham irunda manusha janma varadu. Punyena daiva janma, papena pasupakshadi janma, ubhabhyam manusha janma. Therefore, manusha means what? Papa is there an artham. 50-50. 50 papa, 50 punya. 50%. So, and the papa also must be exhausted. Papa bahulyat. Because of that papa prarabdha, because this body has come, that has to be exhausted. What we think, Jnani, our papa, avada kashtapadrar. Avada kashtapadrar. Pandida ahano. Yenna body is there. Jnani also has to suffer through that body because of papa prarabdha. Papa bahulyat. When bahulyat means what? When the papa comes to surface. When punya comes to surface, papa comes to surface, we do not know. So suddenly papa comes, it gives badha to shariram. Asantushtaha. Bahulyat asantoshaha yatha tava. Just as people are having asantosha, Jnani also will have for a moment, asantosha. What happens, Jnani sannyasi, suppose, I will tell you, what is papa bahulyam. 2 bhikshas comes at a day. By mistake, the student forgets the date to bring the bhiksha. Next week, she brings before itself. 2 bhikshas. It is called punya prarabdha. 2 bhikshas comes at a time. Next day, bhikshaye varad. And that student has forgotten. Next day student also, because she has gone out of station, suddenly she has to go out of station. This Jnani is not able to inform anybody because no time for that. She has to go out of station suddenly. That day, kondu varavena bhiksha varla. Next day, suddenly bhiksha is cancelled. What is that? Papa bahulyat. He or she also doesn't know. Enna, take palam irunda saapudu, illenna water, drink and sleep. That's all. Why it happens? She or he never planned. When bhiksha comes, why 2 bhikshas should come? You tell me. Why no bhiksha? Pavan student also, and after 1:30 they ring up. Sorry Swamini, what a mistake I had done. Evala papam pandirken. Enna papam panna namma papa prarabdham. It is not their papa. But they worry afterwards. So this is what my personal example I am telling. Punya bahulyat, papa bahulyat. You cannot say. Now you know why grihastha is best. Don't think sannyas ashrama is very nice and don't think like that. Sometimes it happens 3 days also we have to be without food. But we don't die, we continue. Bhagavan தண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்காரு, வாட்டர் இஸ் தேர் டு ட்ரிங்க், ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் ஆர் தேர் டு ஈட். தட் இஸ் வை ஃபர்கெட் அபவுட் தட் மேட்டர். ஓகே, ஜஸ்ட் ஐ எம் டெல்லிங். ஏதாவது சொல்லணுமே எக்ஸாம்பிள், எனக்கு தோணுன்னு சொல்லிட்டேன். பாப பாகுல்யாத்னாரு, இதுதான் பாபா எக்ஸாஷன் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் பிராரப்த சம்பந்தா. as long as body is there, sambandha will be there. Why papa prarabdha? Why they have to hunger pants? Why they have to undergo? அவ்வளோதான், உன்ன பிராரப்தம் அப்படிதான். இங்கே ஞானி ஆக்செப்ட், நான் ஞானி ஆச்சு, எனக்கு இன்னைக்கு ஃபுட்டே வரல. జ్ఞాని ఎంత లక్ష్యార్థ ఐకి అమ్మాకి లక్ష్యార్థ ఐకి పసి ఉండోడి பசி கிடையாது. ஆத்மா பூர்ணத்துவம் பசி கிடையாது. அனாத்மா தேக அண்ட் பிராணமய கோஷ ஹஸ் காட் ஹங்கர். படு மனமே படு அண்ணா, அவ்வளோதான். தட் இஸ் வாட். ஓகே, அசந்தோஷா யதா தவ. Just as other people have asantosha, the Jnani also must have asantosha. Next shloka, 264. Ahankaragate chadyaih dehavyadhyadhibhistatha vrikshadi janmanashaiva chidrupatmani kim bhavet. Chidrupatmani, in the consciousness, the self, that which is consciousness, my real nature, Chidrupatmani, in that, kim bhavet, what is going to make any disturbance in that Atma? Kim bhavet, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Kim bhavet, deha vyadhyadhibhihi vrikshadi janmanashirva. When rain comes, heavy wind comes, so many trees fall on the road, what will happen to us? Nothing will happen. Nariya chediyalla vriksha nasha. In the forest, many trees are falling. They are dying every day, many trees. Am I going to be affected by that? Somewhere in the forest, something on the road, something happened, the tree has fallen. Nothing happened to me. Nothing has disturbed me. One example, vriksha example. Vriksha nasya is not going to disturb me. What about deha vyadhi? That is little far. This is little near, that's all. Deha vyadhi. Body is bound to get disease. Even Jnani's body also, no exception. Yena vyadhi, jara, marana. Jnani body is ever young? No. He is not free from disease. Jnani's body also will get vyadhi. Deha vyadhi. Vyadhyadi. Vyadhi, adipadat, old age. Jnani also must have third leg, walking stick. Adipadat, hunger, thirst. Kshudvyadhischa chikischatam pratidinam bhikshaushadham bhunjatam. Shankaracharya consider hunger itself is a vyadhi. Kshudvyadhi em sollita. What you have to take? Food, medicine like food you have to take. Bhikshaushadham bhunjatam. Therefore, vyadhi, hunger, adipadat. Hunger is also a type of vyadhi. Therefore, adhi, vyadhi. These deha vyadhibihi, because of these bodily diseases at physical level, vital level. Similarly, external level, tree example. Suladeha level, vyadhi example. Similarly, Sukshma Sarira level, ahankara. desire. Ahankaragateච්ඡාද්‍යैः tatha eva kim bhavet. When the tree has fallen, nothing happened to me. When body has got disease, it cannot touch me, it cannot afflict me. Because it belongs to the body, unavoidable, inevitable, I have no control, it is belong to the matter. Similarly, another most interior is Sukshma Sariram. In that Sukshma Sariram, Manas, mind, there Ahankara. Ahankara is there. What is Ahankara? RM plus RC put together. Jiva, Ahankara. I am, I notion, that ego. Ahankar. In that, what are there? Desires are there. Ahankara gata ichha. Ichha, dvesha, sukha, dukkha, adipadat. So many are there in the Sukshma Sariram, in which there is a mind. In that mind there is Ahankara. Ahankara has got umpteen desires. If these desires are belong to which Shariram? Sukshma Sariram. Because of Sukshma Sarira only Ahankara is formed, because of that only desires are coming. So Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, Bahya Prapancha, all of them are Drishyam or Druk? Drishyam. Drishyam. Where it comes? Dakshinamurti Stotram. Drishyam. Apram? Pashyati Karya Karanataya Swaswami Sambandhataha. So, Drishyam it is. I, the Atma, I am Drik. Therefore, Jnani looks at that Ahankaragata Ichha objectively. It is like an object, other objects. He never takes the desire, never identify with that desire. That is why Jnani is not distressed or depressed or disturbed whether the desire in the Ahankara is fulfilled or not fulfilled, fulfilled in a nice way or not fulfilled in a nice way, doesn't matter. No resistance, no any craving for that. Why? It is happening in the Anatma. That is, Chidatmani kim bhavet? Chidatmani ahankaragata ichhadaihi kim bhavet? Yatha deha vyadyadibhihi vrikshadi janma nashairva. Tadvat. Ahankara's desire also same like that. Just as the tree is falling, you are objectifying it. When body has got a disease, going lot of pain, you are watching, you are experiencing it. That also you are experiencing, this is also you are experiencing. That is little far, this is near. Tat ayam, that's a difference. That, this. That is duram, this is near. Ahankara is more closer, nearest. Nearer, nearest. Near or nearer or nearest, but not me. The nearer one, nearest one is experienced by me. Then who am I? Experiencer. Therefore, kim bhavet chidatmani kimapi na bhavet. Aksheparthe. Next shloka. Grandhi bhedat purapyevam iti chetanna vismaram ayameva grandhi bhedaha tavatena kriti bhavan. Now again the student still he is asking questions. Avan appadiye ukkaandirukka class la povele. One more question is asking. Oh Guru, I have understood. Jnani recognized that I am free from desires. The body-mind complex upadhi, especially mind, has got desires. I need not transfer these desires of lower I upon me, the higher I. Lower I, higher I, remember? When you are interacting with the people, you, the I, is a mixture. Yesterday we saw Mishra, mixture. Kshetram, kshetrajnaha. Purusha, prakriti. Therefore, lower I alone is having desires. Lower I desires in the mind, are they real or unreal? Unreal. Since they are unreal, they need not be counted. They are just like a dream. No. Really, they cannot afflict me, the Atma. Just as the dreamers' dream objects cannot afflict the waker. Waker's desires cannot afflict the Atma. Where are you now? You are in which state? Tamil Nadu. I know that. You are in which state now? Waking state. Yesterday you might have dreamt certain objects you might have seen. Are they affecting you or afflicting you? No. Why? What answer you give? Simple answer. They are unreal. How do you know they are unreal? After waking only, you are able to know they are unreal. Similarly, Shastra says, oh my dear students, all of you wake up from waking state. Wake up from waking state. Wake up to waking from waking state, how is it possible? Paramarthika Satyam. Through Jnanam only you have to wake up. Here there is no waking up. Through Jnanam, you wake up to your higher nature, Atma Swarupam. This lower nature is unreal. Once it is unreal, just as you made the dream objects unreal after waking, once you wake up to your higher nature, Jnana Swarupam, this waking mind, state, mind, desires, what are they? False. Idha kashtam. Adi easy. Prarabdha wakes up you from sleep. Here Jnanam wakes up you from waking sleep. Waking, it is also a type of sleep. Ajnana Nidra. Who wakes up? Only Guru wakes up. Shastra wakes up. You keep the Panchadasya under your head in the night. See that it will wake up you. Daily I am keeping Panchadasya under my head, Swami, as a pillow. Pillow. All Upanishads, what are all books you have keep under your pillow? As a pillow, it will not remove. Only Guru. Which Guru? Not any Guru. That Guru who is holding Panchadasya. It's not a thing to keep as a pillow. Guru without Panchadashi, no use. Panchadashi without Guru also no use. Therefore, Guru along with Panchadashi will wake up me from waking state to my real state. Then, these are all unreal, will not afflict me. Grandhi bhedaha api pura evam. The student's question is, Hey Guru, this Grandhi bheda, Atma is free from desires. This is already, before Jnanam also, Atma was free only, no? He's asking. After Jnanam, this person has recognized, I the Atma am ever free from desires. The student now is getting, he is understanding power. He is maintaining the class. He has understood. Guru, you said Jnani recognize that Atma is free from desires. That means Jnana is Atma is ever free from desires. Before knowledge also it must be free from desires. Yes or no? No, before knowledge Atma has got affliction with the desires. After knowledge only Atma is free from desires. When you are sleeping, you the waker, when you are dreaming, at that time rain came, fire came. Does that fire can afflicted your body? When you are sleeping, you are dreaming at that time. Are you affected by the dream at that time? No. At that time also you are not affected. If you are not affected, you cannot come to the class. That is sure, even you are dreaming, fire is there in the dream, you are as it is. Nothing happened to you. Like that, not that you are not afflicted by the dream objects after waking only you know, while sleeping time, while you are dreaming also, that is not affecting the waker. That is not afflicting the waker. What? Dream objects. Like that here also the student is asking intelligent question. Before knowledge also, before going to come to Panchadashi class also, I was free from Anatma mind desires. That's what the question say. Grandhi Bhedat. Before Jnanam, you have to supply. Before Jnanam, Grandhi Bhedat Pura api evam. Before Jnanam, Grandhi Bhedat Pura means what? Before knowledge and artham. Before the not transferring the lower eye desires upon to the higher eye, before that also, Atma was free from desires or not? Yes. Pura. Pura means what? Not Pura. Pura means before coming to Panchadasi class, before studying Khathopanishad, before studying Mundakopanishad. Why I am quoting Mundaka Khatha? Granthi Bheda. Before doing the Granthi Bheda, before destroying the notion that these desires are belong to the mind only, does not belong to the Atma, idella pandradhukku munnadiye Atma is free from desires or not? Adha kekra student. Even class varthukku munnadi kuda, he was not afflicted by desires. Correct, Guru? Guru says, yes. Iti chet tanna vismara. Oh, my dear student, don't forget that statement. Appadiye vechuko. Wonderful. Na vismara. Don't forget. This is what I want. This is what I want. You should understand before coming to Jnanam also that persons, ignorant persons, Atma also is not affected by the desires which belong to Anatma, lower eye. This is what I want. The purpose is served. Over. Atma is Nityaha Sarvada Asangaha. Na Vismara. May you not forget this, what you have understood now. Ayameva Granthi Bhedaha. This alone is called Granthi Bheda. What is the Granthi Bheda? My dear student, Atma is ever free from the afflictions of desires. Atma is never touched by desires because it is Asangaha. This is called Granthi Bheda. Ayameva Granthi Bhedaha. Either Ajnani Ichha or Jnani Ichha, whatever it may be, before Jnanam also, Ajnana Kale api Atma Asangaha. Jnana Kale api Atma Asangaha. Puriyardo? Jnana Kale Asangaha iti we have understood. Then what we have to understand? Before I am coming to this class, before knowledge also, the Atma was Asangaha. That is real knowledge. This is alone Granthi Bheda, my dear student. Tena Kriti Bhavan. Now you are Kritarthaha. You are fortunate. Kritarthaha. Kriti Bhavan. Kritam. Kritam means what? Fortune. Kriti. Fortunate. Bhavan, you, my dear student, you are fortunate because you have understood what? Before coming to Jnanam, before coming to Shastra also, before knowledge also, I the Atma was Asangaha. Now I have recognized I am Asangaha. I have recognized I am Asangaha now. I was Asangaha also. That means what we have understood clearly. విద్యారణ్యకి ఒరే సంతోషం, శిష్యునికి కూడా సంతోషం. ఐ హోప్ యు ఆర్ ఆల్ ఆల్సో హ్యావింగ్ సంతోష. ఓకే. నైవం జానంతి మూఢాశ్చేత్ సోయం గ్రంథిర్న చాపరః గ్రంథి తద్భేదమాత్రేణ వైషమ్యం మూఢబుద్ధయోః. Now he has praised the student, Kriti Bhavan. Now another question student is asking, he says, this is called Grandhi Veda. What student is asking, how brilliant Vidyaranya, so brilliant. Na evam moodhaha jananti, dull-witted people, moodhaha, deluded people, ignorant people, moodhaha, na evam jananti iti, within inverted commas. This is the student's statement. Adhe student, அவன் அங்கே இருக்க, பவான் கிருதி பவான் சொன்ன உடனே உனக்கு ஒரு குஷி வந்தது. திருப்பி பைத்தியம் ஒரு கேள்வி, இன்னொரு கேள்வி என்ன? Dull-witted people, ignorant people do not know that Atma is Asangaha. What he said, Ajnani's Atma is also Asanga from Ichcha, Dvesha, Kama, Krodha. Then Guru said, that is right. You are fortunate, you have understood. Now he is asking, that ignorant person do not know that. Moodhaha, that deluded ignorant person do not know that Atma is Asangaha. The student is asking, that ignorant person, non-Panchadasi student, non-Panchadasi, non-Vedantic student do not know that Atma is Asangaha, he do not know. He do not know that, therefore he is deluded, you are telling, no, therefore you have Gandhi Veda. He is having Granthi Veda, he is deluded, he do not know that Atma is Asangaha. And the notion உனக்கு இருக்கலையோ அது வீடு ஃபர்ஸ்ட். அவனுக்கு இருக்கன்னு உனக்கு எதுக்கு? That means still you are seeing that person different from you, inferior. Some students, not here, not in my classes, some places, some intelligent, brilliant, suppose they know Sanskrit very well, they understand very well, and they have done studies very well. Some senior students, suppose, and look at other students, they consider like that, as though he is intelligent, she is intelligent, and other students do not know anything. இவங்களெல்லாம் என்ன தெரியும், இவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் என்ன தெரியும் அந்த மாதிரி. They think like that. இந்த திங்கிங் இருக்கு இல்லையோ, இதுதான் கிரந்தி பேதா. அவங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் ஒன்றுமே தெரியாது, எனக்கு தான் தெரியுங்கிறது இருக்கு இல்லையோ, அது கூட கிரந்தி பேதா தான். ஏன்? நான் அவன் அங்கிற பேதம் இருக்கு இல்லையோ. பாருங்க, how Vidyaranya is so careful hammering the student. It is not so easy. That ahankara comes. Suppose if I understand, I am hearing all CDs, I am writing all notes because I am attending from past 20 years of Swamini class or Swamiji class, something, somewhere, some students suppose feel like that. இன்னும் புரியலன்னு அர்த்தம். எனக்கு தான் புரியறது நல்லா. பாவம், அவங்க ஏதோ பக்கம் தலை ஆடிண்டே இருப்பான் சுவாமி, அவனுக்கு என்ன புரியும், அவனுக்கு என்ன புரியும் என்ன அர்த்தம். ஸ்டில் யூ ஆர் இன் துவைத்தா. You are giving reality to your ahankara and you are giving reality to that person's ahankara and you are separating. தெரியாமலே பண்ணுவோம் தெரியுமா இந்த மிஸ்டேக்கு? அப்படியே அடிக்கிறார் அம்மா தான். இதுதான் மண்டல போடுறதுன்னா இப்படிதான், அடிக்காமல் அடிக்கணும் அన్న அர்த்தம் இதுதான். புரியுங்க பாருங்க ஸ்லோகா. ஜானந்தி ந மூடாஹ சேத். ஓ ஸ்டூடெண்ட், இஃப் you think like this, மூடாஹா, non-panchadashi students, non-Vedantic students who are மூடாஹா, na evam jananti. Evam means what? Atma is asangaha iti na jananti chet ayam grandhihi bhavati. This alone is called grandhi. That means you are transferring what is ajnani, ahankara, and that person's body mind complex you are giving reality is deluded. Both duality is not there. When you are Advaita Jnani, you don't see the difference at all. நான் ஞானி, அவங்களெல்லாம் அஜ்ஞானி. இந்த நோஷனே இருக்காது. ஞானிக்கு அவங்களெல்லாம் அஜ்ஞானிஸ், நான் தான் ஞானி அங்கிற நோஷன் இருந்தா அவனுக்கு ஞானியா அஜ்ஞானியா? அஜ்ஞானி. யார் சொல்றான்? வித்யாரண்யர் சொல்றார். ததே சோயம் கிரந்திஹி சஹா. That notion, that alochana, that thinking you are having, that alone is granthi, because still you are having that he is having delusion. I am free from delusion. I am fortunate because you said I am Kruti Bhavan. Because he is deluded. Adiyum tappu, my dear student. Because if you understand your Atma, you are the Atma there. Whether he understands or not, who is deluded? That ahankara is mithya, that Atma is asangaha. You are that. How can you see that person separately? You don't see that person separately. Eppadi porar parungo. Tadeva soyam grandhihi. Full stop. Apparam na aparaha grandhi bhavati. There is no other grandhi than this, my dear student. அபரஹானா கிரந்தி பவதி. நான் ஞானி, எனக்கு ஆத்மா அசங்கஹான்னு தெரியும். அவனுக்கு தெரியல. அவனுக்கு தெரியாட்டாலும் கூட அசங்கஹாவா நாவா? அசங்கஹா ஏவ. பட் ஹீ cannot get the benefit of that ஆத்மா அசங்கத்வம். அவ்வளவுதான். உனக்கு என்ன கஷ்டம்? அவனே டெல்யூடட்னு சொல்லணும். டோன்ட் சே தட். ஏன்னா his ahankara is also mithya, ஆத்மா is முக்தஹா அசங்கஹா. உனக்கு ஏன் கவலை? அவன் டெல்யூடட் நீ ஏன் சொல்லணும்? That's why never point out on anyone, even mentally. Some people point out verbally, கை காமிப்பான், அவன் இருக்க பாத்தியா, இவன் இருக்க பாத்தியா. Never. Don't show the finger. Don't say verbally, even mentally also. That thought comes, you are having still granthi. Na aparaha grandhihi asti tadeva grandhihi, my dear student. Don't say he is deluded, he don't know that Atma is asangaha ani sollade. Grandhihi na aparaha bhavati. Tat bhedamatrena vaishamyam mooda buddhayo. My dear student, this is what difference between Gnani and Ajnani. Moodha means Ajnani, Buddha means Jnani. What do you mean by difference? He doesn't know that he is asangaha. This Jnani knows he is asangaha. That's all. What is the Vaishamyam? What is the difference? Tadeva. Tad bhedamatrena. Bhedamatrena means what? Grandhi asti, grandhi nasti. Atma asangaha asti. Atma asangaha iti janati. Ekha purushaha na janati. That's all. But Atma is asangaha only in Jnani and Ajnani also. That Jnani and Ajnani, ididane bhedam. Therinjikkaradu, theriyamale irukkaradu. Ididane bhedam. This is the what? Grandhi bheda. This is the only difference. Tad bheda means Grandhi bheda. Tad bheda matrena. Bheda means not difference here. Tad bheda means Grandhi bheda means that breaking. Breaking that grandhi, destroying that grandhi means not transferring the desire from mind to the Atma, tad bheda matrena, difference between Gnani and Ajnani. No, nothing else. Not by Vesham, not by eloquent speech, not by anything. It is only internal transformation, thought level, cognitive change. Tad bheda matrena Vaishamyam. Between, Vaishamyam means difference between Moodaha and Buddhaha. Gnani and ignorant. Idida Grandhi Vaishamyam. Grandhi Bhedaha eva Vaishamyam. Not Grandhi Vaishamyam. Grandhi Bhedaha means breaking this Grandhi, that Kama which is in the Hridaya mind, not transferring to Atma, is called Grandhi Bheda. That alone is the difference. One person is not breaking, another person has done that. That is the difference. Rendu per vare madri irpa. Adu eppadi? Next sloka. Pravruttau va nivruttau va Dehendriya manodhiyam na kinchidapi vaishamyam astya jnana vibhuddhayoh astya jnana vibhuddhayoh. Very interesting shloka. Acharya says, my dear student, this cognitive change you cannot see outside. Pravrutti and nivrutti. Going towards activity, not going towards any activity. Pravrutti, nivrutti, there is no difference. Jnani also moves same like Ajnani. Going to shop, buying something, eating, talking, watching TV, watching cricket match, suppose. Pravrutti, nivrutti, not doing. There is no difference between Ajnani and Gnani. Pravrutti and nivrutti. But worldly Jnanis, I am telling. Worldly means what? Grihastha Jnani. Veetla ellaru TV paakran. Ivar ukkarndirukkaru Jnani, Grihastha. Enna pandrathu? Be as a Roman in the Rome. Watch the TV. Naan Jnani. Na ulla poi ukkarndirukren. Devilla. When you are in the group, you have to follow the same norms. When you are alone, you can do separately. But when you are in the group, you should not be extraordinary. Gumpulo Govinda மாதிரி இருக்கணும் சில விஷயத்தில். ரொம்ப தனியாக இருக்க வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவான் தெரியுமா? பைத்தியம்னு சொல்லுவா. பைத்தியம்னு சொல்லுவான். அப்படி எல்லாம் பேர் வாங்கக்கூடாது. அதனால தெரியாத மாதிரி இருக்கணும். ஸோ பிரவருத்தி நிவர்த்தி. சன்னியாசி என்ன ஒன்றுமே இருக்காது, டிவி கிடையாது, ஒன்றுமே கிடையாது, ஏதோ வேறே வியாபகம் இருக்கும். பிரவருத்தி ஆகாரம் பிக்ஷை எப்போ வருமானு பார்த்துட்டு இருப்பான். இல்லைன்னா அந்த கிளாஸ் பற்றி இந்த கிளாஸ் பற்றி திங்கிங் பண்ணி பிரவருத்தி நிவர்த்தி. பிரவருத்தி மீன்ஸ் ஆக்டிவிட்டி, நிவர்த்தி மீன்ஸ் வித்ட்ராயிங் ஃப்ரம் ஆக்டிவிட்டி. தேக இந்திரிய மனோதியாம். பிரவருத்தி நிவர்த்தி ஆஃப் ஹூம்? தேஹா. Body level activity, body level withdrawal. Deha. Indriya. Seeing certain objects, hearing certain music, some sounds and all. Indriya level. Either pravrutti or nivrutti. Listening to a nice music, suppose. Gnani also can enjoy music, classical music, or dance, kuchipudi, bharatanatyam. Pravrutti. Oh, nanna irukken. Shabda, rupa, indriyams are working. Or mind, mentally remembering the past dance program, music program, something remembering. Manaha. Dhiyam, through the buddhi. இன்னைக்கு பஞ்சதசி கிளாஸ் எப்படி இருக்கு திங்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கலாமே. யார் யார் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்திருக்கா, இன்டலெக்ட் ரிப். These are all activities. Or simply quiet. Pravrutti, nivrutti. Deha level, buddhi level, manas level, indriya level. All these activities and inactivities are possible. Na kinchidapi vaishamyam. There is no difference regarding activities or inactivities with regard to Jnani and Ajnani. Jnani also eat with his own hand or spoon. వాయులోకి தானே வச்சிருப்பா அன்னம் சாதம். அஜ்ஞானி, where he put idli? In the mouth only, isn't it? So through the mouth only they drink, they eat. Hearing also, நான் ஞானி, நான் கண்ணால கேட்கறேன்னா, கண்ணால கேட்க முடியாது, காதால பார்க்கறேன்னா எப்படி அப்பா நான் ஞானி என்ன, அப்படியெல்லாம் முடியாது. ஆக்டிவிட்டி எல்லாம் ஆஸ் இட் இஸ், கண்ணால தான் பார்க்கணும் ஞானி ஆனாலும், காதால தான் கேட்கணும். ஐ வாக் வித் மை ஹேண்ட்ஸ் என்ன, கொஞ்சம் ஞானினோ செப்பரேட்டா. யூ ஹாவ் டு வாக் வித் ஓன்லி லெக்ஸ், நாட் வித் ஹேண்ட்ஸ். Like that, some activities, na kinchidapi vaishamyam. சில பேர் நினைப்பானே, அவனுக்கு ஞானி பாருங்க எப்படி நடக்கிறாரு பார்த்துக்கோ. எப்படி நடக்கிறாருன்னு நார்மலாக தான் நடக்கணும். பார்வை எப்படி இருக்கணும், நார்மலாக தான் இருக்கணும், ஏதோ மாதிரி பார்க்கக்கூடாது. சில பேர் அப்படிதான். அறக்குறை ஞானம் வந்த உடனே என்ன ஆயிடும்னா, ஞானி ரொம்ப காமா இருப்பா, ப்ரெசண்டா இருப்பா, பிரசாந்தமா இருப்பான்னா, சில பேர் அப்படியே பார்த்துட்டு இருப்பா. அவன் திருஷ்டி பாரு, ஒரே தேஜஸ் மூஞ்சில, என்ன தேஜஸ் அண்ணா இவன் நினைக்கிறா தேஜஸ். தேஜஸ் கேன் நெவர் டிட்டர்மின், அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். By performing pujas, by doing lot of things, by putting பட்டப்பட்டையா விபூதி, putting பெரிய ருத்ராட்சமாலை, எவ்வளவு பெரிய ருத்ராட்சமாலை போட்டா அவர் பெரிய மகான் அர்த்தம். சில பேர் ருத்ராட்சே போட மாட்டான், அப்படின்னு அவருக்கு ஞானி இல்லையோ. அந்த ருத்ராட்ச கீழே இன்னும் பெருசு 3-4 லைன் போட்டா அவர் பெரிய ஞானி, ஒன்ன போட்டா அவர் பெரிய ஞானி இல்லை. என்னப்பா இதெல்லாம் பைத்தியம். அந்த பாதுகை போட்டாதான் ஞானி, நார்மல் செப்பல் போட்டா ஞானி இல்லை. இதெல்லாம் தகராறு. ந வைஷமியம். வித்யாரண்யா சேஸ், இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் நீ திங்க் பண்ணாதே. ந வைஷமியம் அஸ்தி அஜ்ஞானி விபுத்தயோஹ. அஸ்த்யஜ்ஞான இஸ் தேர். அஜ்ஞானி விபுத்தயோஹ கிஞ்சிதபி வைஷமியம் ந அஸ்தி பிரவருத்தி நிவృத்தௌ. In doing worldly activities, vyavahara, everything, either activity or inactivity, there is no difference between gnani and ajnani. இவரு சாப்பிடுறா, அவரு சாப்பிடுறா, அதே இட்லி, அதே சாம்பார், அதே அப்படியே இருக்கும். Same thing. Sense organs action, bodily actions, every action is as it is, no difference. Vijnani means, here word used vibuddhayah, viseshena buddha. Pure, full jnani, total sthira prajnaha. Ajnani, in their activities there is no difference. So what, like this example he gives. நமக்கு என்ன குரு சொல்லியிருக்கா நிறைய எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ், ஆனால் நான் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்றாரு அவர். என்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள்? 268 விராத்ய ஸ்ரோத்ரியயோர் வேதஹ பாடா பாடக்ருதாபிதாம் நாஹாராதாவஸ்தி பேதஹ சோயம் ஞாயோத்ர யோஜ்யதாம். Second line correction, யாஜ்யதாம். It is, yo is not clear. மேல ஒரு கொம்பு, யா மேல, top of yakara you have to give. Second line, யோஜ்யதாம் na யாஜ்யதாம். விராத்ய ஸ்ரோத்ரிய யோஹோ, between விராத்ய. Vratya means a boy who is not undergone a upanayana samskara up to 16 years is called Vratyaha. Vratyaha means advijaha, not dvijaha, not taken that puna egnopavitam. Shrotriya means the one who has gone through that upanayana samskara wearing yajnopavitam. Once he has taken Gayatri mantra, the person has to do Vedadhyanam. One person has not gone through some Upanayana Samskara, therefore he cannot do Vedadhyanam. This boy has gone through Upanayana Samskara before 16 years, therefore he is doing Vedadhyanam. Even Pandala, even Pandra. Vratya Shrotriyayoho. What is the difference? Veda Patha Apatha Krita Bhida. One is doing Veda Patha, another is not doing Apatha. Veda, this is whole samasa. Veda Patha Patha Krita. Veda Pathascha Apathascha Veda Patha Pathau. Tat Krita Veda Patha Patha Krita. The one who has done Veda Patha and one who has not done Veda Patha. This person is Vratyaha. Those who have done is Shrotriyaha. Activity and inactivity. He is doing Vedadhyanam activity. He is not doing Vedadhyanam activity. So, Nivritti. Here Pravritti is Nivritti. This is the difference between both of them. Like that, that is only difference. But both of them are eating. வீட்டிலனே ரெண்டு பையன் இருக்க அம்மாக்கு. ஒருத்தன் வந்து சந்தியாவந்தனம் பண்ற, ஒருத்தனும் பண்ணல. ரெண்டு பேரும் சாப்பிட்றதுக்காக வந்திருக்கா. ஒருத்தன் பண்ற, ஒருத்தனும் பண்ணல சந்தியாவந்தனம். Those who have taken this Upanayana Samskara is there, Yajnopavitam there. After 2-3 days they remove the Yajnopavitam and eating kandadella saapidran. And they are, one is doing Gayatri, one is not doing. And both of them have come to that dining table. Mother has to serve the food. How they eat? Same way they eat. Ahara, Adi Padat, Nidra. Nidra, Ahara, Nidra. Asti na asti Bhedaha. Bhedaha nasti. In their eating, Vratya Shrotriya, eating la edavadhu difference irukumo? Adhe saapidran. Same way they eat. Nidra, even Vratya, even Shrotriya, sleeping must be different. Anna. Kadiyadu. Vratya Shrotriya, Ahara Nidra, Bhedaha na asti. Veda Patha, Apatha only is there. Bheda. But in their activity, inactivity, that activity, inactivity of Veda Adhyanam only Bheda, but Ahara Nidra do Bhedaha nasti. Tadvat Soyam Nyayaha Atra Yojyatam. Same Nyaya, that axiom, the same law, you apply here also. Here means where? With regard to Mudhaha, Ajnani, who has not done Grandhi Veda and who has done Grandhi Veda. Between both of them also, you have to supply the same law. Therefore, Jnani's Ahara Vyavahara is same. And Ajnani's Ahara Vyavahara also same. Whether Mudaha or Amudhaha, Pravritti Nivritti, there is no Bheda. Therefore, never analyze anyone who is a Jnani or not. Either Mahatma or not. It is not your job. Because you are incapable. We are asamarthaha, first of all. அப்படி சொல்லணும். அசமர்த்தாக. அதுதான் குட்டு கொடுக்குறாரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு. குரு கொஞ்சம் வேதாந்தத்துக்கு வந்த உடனே நமக்கு அறியாமலே எல்லாரும் படிக்கிறது இல்லை, நான் தான் படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன், எனக்கு தான் எல்லாம் தெரியும். ஒரு தனி பார்வை, தனி பேச்சு எல்லாம் வரும் வீட்டில். அதெல்லாம் பத்திரம், ஜாகிரதை, அப்படியெல்லாம் வரக்கூடாது. we are not justify doing justice to Shastra, not doing justice to be a student of so and so Guru. So we have to be very careful. Bhagavane kaapathu anu sollanu. Protect us, give right knowledge, never go deviate unnecessary. This is called poking the nose in curiosity in unnecessary matters. Never be curious which are not required for you. Don't interfere. Any matter of others, don't interfere. நமக்கு என்ன இருக்கும் இல்லையோ, ஜூஸியாக இருக்கும். பக்கத்தில் என்ன நடக்கிறதான்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். யார் யார் வரானா, என்னென்ன பண்ணுறானா, இது எல்லாமே எல்லாம் விட்டுட்டு பார்க்கறது, பின்னாடி பார்க்கறது, எத்தனை பேர் வந்திருக்கான், யாரும் வரலையா இன்னைக்கு, நீ வந்துட்டு இல்லையோ. இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் எதுக்காக? நமக்கு மனசு அந்த க்யூரியாசிட்டின்னு ட்ரிம் பண்ணணும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். இந்த க்யூரியாசிட்டி இருந்ததான் இவனால பேசுகிறான் இந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டு அனவசியமா. தேர்ஃபோர் he is asking, don't have unnecessary curiosity that will obstruct your clarity. Curiosity obstruct your clarity. Purnamada purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavasishyate. Om shanti shanti shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.